Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Firefox with your account signed in, navigate to the avatar menu, and open Manage Account. Once done, authenticate with your password or current two-step method so Firefox trusts the session. Make sure you have the new recovery address ready because Firefox will send a verification link or code. This immediate verification prevents lockout. You're beginning change now rather than later. Move to the Account Security area. Do not close the browser until the process completes. You're now in the Security or Email section. Click Edit beside Recovery Email. Enter the new address carefully. Typos are the most common issue, and submit. Firefox will send a verification link or numeric code to that new address. Open that email on the same device if possible. Once you click the link or paste the code back into the account page, Firefox confirms the change. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you edited the correct one so you don't overwrite another recovery address. You finish by completing verification. Click the link or paste the code within the Firefox account page. Doing this final step seals the change. After verification, return to Account Summary to confirm the updated recovery email displays. If the update fails, first check the new email's spam folder, then use the Resend verification option or re-authenticate your session. Sometimes a fresh sign-in clears token problems. If you still can't change it, try a different device or contact Firefox support while keeping your account secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.